Have you ever stopped to consider the nature of reality itself? You know, the feel of the chair beneath you, the sight of the person beside you, the taste of the food you eat, all undeniably real, right? But what if I told you that this reality might be an elaborate illusion, a meticulously crafted simulation? This isn't some far-fetched science fiction plot. It's a serious philosophical and increasingly scientific question known as the simulation hypothesis. It proposes that our reality could be a computer program, run by a more advanced intelligence, perhaps a future version of ourselves, or even an entirely different kind of being. Now, I know what you're thinking. It sounds crazy, right? But let's explore this idea for a moment. Think about the progress of technology. Just a few decades ago, virtual reality was a novelty. Today, we have immersive games that can convincingly mimic aspects of the real world. Extrapolate that progress forward. Imagine a future where virtual reality is indistinguishable from reality, where every sense is perfectly simulated. In such a world, how could you be sure you weren't living in a simulation? The truth is, you probably couldn't. There's no definitive proof either way. But that's what makes this hypothesis so compelling. It forces us to question our assumptions about reality. So, how does this relate to our daily lives? Well, for one, it encourages us to be more open-minded, to not take our perceptions for granted. Perhaps the strange glitches we sometimes experience, the coincidences that seem too perfect, are just bugs in the program. Maybe the laws of physics aren't fundamental truths, but rather lines of code. More importantly, the simulation hypothesis challenges us to think about the nature of consciousness. If our reality is a simulation, does that mean our consciousness is also simulated? Are we just sophisticated algorithms, or is there something more to it? These are profound questions that have implications for everything from artificial intelligence to the meaning of life itself. Even if we ultimately conclude that we're not living in a simulation, the very act of considering the possibility expands our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It reminds us that the world is full of mysteries, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end. So, the next time you're going about your day, take a moment to look around. Question what you see, what you feel, what you believe to be true. Consider the possibility that reality might be more complex, more surprising than you ever imagined, and who knows, maybe just maybe you'll start to see the code. Thank you.